Your iPhone holds your entire digital life, including photos, messages, contacts, and more. But what happens when you drop it or lose it? Where does your data go if your phone decides to just stop working? That's why you need to know how to create a proper backup from your iPhone to your Mac. Today, we're reviewing 6 proven methods to protect iPhone data, starting with the easiest way. The best part? It takes just 4 clicks and you're done. Before creating new backups, you should know the specific Mac folder where they're stored. Press Command-Shift-G and type this path: ~library/application support/mobile-sync/backup/. If you have backups, that's where they'll be. Unfortunately, even these backup folders can get corrupted or accidentally deleted. At that point, you need specialized help. An app like iVoiceOff Data Recovery from SetApp can scan and recover those missing files. If you want to back up your iPhone in as few as 4 simple clicks, AnyTrans is the app for you. This professional backup manager available on SetApp is a more streamlined version of the built-in recovery tools in Finder and iTunes. Here's how to use it. Connect your iPhone with a USB cable. Open AnyTrans. Click Device Manager in the top left. Then select Content to Mac near the top. On the next screen, you can select which category of data you want to export, including My Photos, songs, movies, contacts, calendar, and more. If you want to back up everything, just hit Next to start the transfer. You can click Select to choose a file location for your selected backup. That's it. Using AnyTrans, you can schedule the Air Backup Manager to back up your phone automatically and wirelessly, so you never have to worry. Running macOS Catalina or later? Apple moved iPhone backups from iTunes to Finder. Connect your iPhone with a cable, open Finder, and look for your device under Locations in the sidebar. Click General, find the Backup section, and hit Backup Now. After it's done, you can check its status with the Manage Backups button. Right-click the backup you want and choose from the options. Check the box that says Encrypt Local Backup to protect your data with a password. This also backs up your health and activity data, which unencrypted backups skip. When Finder feels too limited, Pathfinder from SetApp can make file management more versatile. Its modular interface and drop stack feature make organizing backup files from any location as simple as dragging and dropping the files. Backing up is only half the recovery process. You also need to know how to restore your data when you need it. In Finder, connect your iPhone, select it from Locations, go to General, click Restore Backup, and choose your backup from the dropdown. If the restoration fails, the data may be too corrupted, but you're not defeated just yet. Get Backup Pro from SetApp offers multiple backup types, scheduled automatic backups, and backup restore options to any device you need. Still running macOS Mojave or earlier? In that case, iTunes will still handle your backups. Connect your iPhone, open iTunes, select your device, and click Backup Now. That's it. If you're tired of cables and manual backups, you need to set up wireless backups. After connecting your phone, open Finder, select your iPhone from Locations, go to General, and check the box, Show this iPhone when on Wi-Fi. You can set other options from the top of the window. Click Apply. Now your iPhone will appear in Finder whenever both devices share the same network. Here's a tip. If you're having connection issues, Wi-Fi Explorer from SetApp will diagnose your network problems and show you exactly what's wrong in easy-to-use visuals. For completely wireless backups, iCloud will work anywhere with an internet connection. On your phone, open Settings, tap your Apple ID, select iCloud, tap iCloud Backup, and turn on the option Back up this phone. Now, your phone will back up daily to your iCloud account whenever the phone is on, locked, and connected to Wi-Fi. You can also perform a manual backup on iCloud by tapping Backup Now. Remember, iCloud only provides 5 GB of free storage, and it won't back up music or videos. If you're managing more data across multiple cloud services, Cloud Mounter from SetApp connects Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and more directly to Finder, treating them like local drives to give you access to all your cloud content in one place. Okay, now you've got 6 methods to back up your iPhone to Mac and protect your important data. Start with AnyTrans for the quickest solution, use Finder for built-in simplicity, or go to wireless with a built-in iCloud backup for convenience. Whatever method you choose, the important thing is to start managing your data today. Your future self will thank you when you need that backup, and it's right there where you can restore it in just a few clicks. Have you ever lost your iPhone's data? Let us know about it in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more help with your iPhone's data.